Coconut Grove has high land on a ridge, and some areas with low elevation, mainly to the east of South Bayshore Drive. This lower area is particularly susceptible to storm surges. On South Bayshore Lane, a narrow piece of public property with tall walls on either side acts as a funnel, conveying water from Biscayne Bay into the surrounding neighborhood during storm surge events. Following community outreach, a multidisciplinary team of local experts designed a solution. Compacted fill will be shaped to create a gently sloping berm within 2 retaining walls. The berm will be planted with native vegetation, which will help reduce erosion, add beauty, and be a home for insects, pollinators, and birds. The berm is carefully located not to cover the critical root zones of the 4 existing native Gumbo Limbo trees. Low curvilinear retaining walls retain the berm away from the root zones and serve as community benches. The berm acts as a vertical barrier, helping to limit storm surge's ability to enter the neighborhood and protecting people and property from extreme weather. This concept aligns with the City of Miami Resilient Waterfront Enhancement Plan, the Miami Forever Climate Ready Plan, and the Miami-Dade Back Bay Coastal Storm Risk Management Feasibility Study. With finite resources and space, meeting multiple community needs in a project is economically and environmentally responsible. With the 2 curved retaining walls for seating and 2 benches at the water's edge, there will always be a place to sit in the shade. Raising the seawalls around this neighborhood to equal heights will form a unified barrier, adding increased community-scale protection. Approximately 5,000 linear feet of higher seawalls would protect 230 low-lying properties, around 22 feet per home. Extending increased seawall protection to the north, including the nearby condominiums, Mercy Hospital, and around LaSalle, would be approximately 12,000 linear feet of seawall improvement from Kennedy Park. Adding the 458 homes and condominiums into the protection zone would bring the average protection needed per residential unit to 18 linear feet, not counting the hospital and school. This community strategy, including higher unified seawalls paired with stormwater pumps and specific property interventions like flood-proofing panels, can be more cost-effective than a gradual property-by-property approach to protecting this low-lying neighborhood. This unified protection strategy may help extend the life of this neighborhood while long-term planning occurs, which may include managed retreat and transferable development rights, or rebuilding with higher property ground levels. Visit the Future Vision Studios website to learn more about our plans to protect Coconut Grove and South Florida.